In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Notes effectively for your meetings and online classes. As many of us continue to rely on virtual communication, mastering tools like Zoom can make our digital interactions smoother and more productive. A handy feature within Zoom is the ability to take notes during a meeting. This can be crucial for keeping track of important points or action items. Let's dive into how you can use this feature to enhance your Zoom experience. To begin, you'll need to navigate to a specific icon within the Zoom interface. During a Zoom meeting, you'll find an array of tools designed to help you interact and engage with other participants. One such tool is the pen icon, which you'll find situated at the top section of the Zoom window. This pen icon is your gateway to accessing Zoom Notes. By clicking on it, you unlock the ability to make notes directly related to your meeting content, ensuring you never miss an important detail or reminder. Once you click the pen icon, a new panel will appear for note-taking. The environment is straightforward, enabling you to focus entirely on capturing the information you need. Write down key points, questions, or any reminders as the meeting progresses. Having a separate section for notes allows you to organize your thoughts better than if you were just jotting them down on paper or another digital platform where they could easily get lost. One important tip to enhance your note-taking experience is to keep your notes concise but clear. You want to ensure that you can quickly look back at them after the meeting and recall the meeting's context without needing additional details. Highlighting or using bullet points within your notes can help in organizing ideas quickly, enabling faster recall when revisiting them later. Note that while taking notes, it's important to remain attentive to the ongoing discussion. So, try to develop a system where you jot down keywords or brief phrases that can be elaborated on after the meeting if needed. This not only ensures you are still engaged in the conversation, but also helps in minimizing any disruptions to your focus during the meeting. Lastly, consider reviewing your notes immediately after the meeting ends. This helps cement the information in your memory, and you have the chance to add any additional thoughts while the discussion is still fresh in your mind. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to organize and, if needed, share your notes with other meeting participants to reinforce collaborative understanding. By utilizing the Zoom Notes feature effectively, you're ensuring a more comprehensive and organized approach to managing information presented in your virtual meetings. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more effective communicator and participant in any Zoom event. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating digital